All right, welcome everybody to the old ballpark. We're gonna do a PC case break, a clear vision for that guy GG Golden Gun. Here you go, brother. Sealed case, sealed case, sealed case. So there should be 2 autos in here. This year's. All right. Stop falling all over the place. All right, let's do it. That man said if there's not 2 autos in here. What's up, Scaler? We got Jameis Winston, Mark Ingram, number 2, 399, Jalen Ramsey. Right, there better be 2 autos in here. Luke Kuechly, clear shots, number to 99, Julio Jones. Oh, that one's kind of like raised a little bit. And we got a Steve Young. Carson Palmer, Randall Cunningham to 99, and Deshaun Jackson. Deshaun Jackson, number to 19, Doug Flutie. Doug Flutie. And Navarro Bowman. Phillip Rivers, number to 99, Matt Jones. Adrian Peterson. Allen Robinson. Fake out. Number 2, 399, DeForest Buckner. Big Ben Roethlisberger.
Man, they hit already? Tom Brady. Look at this Seahawk hit. Number to 49, CJ Procise. Ronnie Lott in the back. 1, 2, 3 color. Todd Gurley. Number to 999, Pharaoh Cooper. And then we got a Steve Largent. J.J. Watt. Fake out. Vision, number to 79, Drew Brees. Chris Carter from the Vikings. Sam Bradford. 99, Deshaun Jackson. Big Ben Roethlisberger. Darrelle Revis. Shaq Lawson to 999. Tony Romo. Odell Beckham. Fake out. 99, Dan Marino. Sammy Watkins. Allen Robinson. Fake out. Number to 999, Darren Lee. And then we got a Brett Favre. Charles Haley. 79, Ricardo Lewis. Travis Kelce. Emmitt Smith. Eddie Lacy. And your hit, Paxton Lynch to 49. 3-color patch. Very nice. Amir Abdullah. Clear Airs, John Brown and DeMarco Murray. Andy Dalton. Number 249, Sheldon Rankins. Doug Baldwin. Julio Jones. Braxton Miller to 999. Keenan Allen. J.J. Watt. Fake out. $9.99. Carl Joseph and Brett Favre. Darrelle Revis. Number to 49, Paxton Lynch. And LaShawn McCoy. Oh, that's wrong. That's just wrong. Peyton Manning. Number to 79, Rivals. Suggs and Roethlisberger. DeMarco Murray. Odell. Kenny Clark to 999. Eric Dickerson. Tom Brady. Number to 29, Muhammad Wilkerson. Tony Dorsett. LaDainian Tomlinson. Todd Gurley. Number 299, Kenneth Dixon. Warren Moon. 79, Cam Newton. And Mean Joe Green. Antonio Brown. Fake out. $9.99, Keanu Neal. Kirk Cousins. No autos yet. Sam Bradford. 99, Amir Abdullah. Richard Sherman. I'm getting kind of scared. Darrell Revis. Carlos Hyde. Your first auto, number to 40. Steve Smith Sr. Nah, I didn't see it, Mad. Not a bad auto. Senior. Odell. $9.99. Jonathan Williams and Le'Veon Bell. Matt, have you seen that Sapphire baseball? Brady. Number to 79. Joe Montana. DeAndre Hopkins. Nope, it's on card. Hey, man, I don't get what was J Boo doing anyway. He was doing that just to make fun of you or what? Antonio Brown. Steve Young. Number to 99, LaDainian Tomlinson. He's going to start breaking for real? Sam Bradford. Fake out. $9.99. Kevin Hogan. Deshaun Jackson. Darrell Revis. Number to 99, Manning and Brady. Who's Misfit? Jameis Winston. Cutler. 99, Kamali Correa. Rod Woodson. Larry Fitz. $9.99. Reggie Ragland. John Elway. Warren Moon. Number to 79, Joe Flacco. Oh, wrong stack. You go over there. You go over here. Bo Jackson. Yeah, I like them too. I mean, I like high tech better than this though, because at least every box you get an auto in high tech. And the high-tech cards are like a little thicker than this. You like these better than high-tech? I think these are way better because they're thicker. These to me are kind of flimsy, honestly. Carson Palmer, Tannehill, Landry, and Parker. John Elway. Tom Brady. Jeremy Langford at 99. Kurt Warner. Random patterns. J.J. Watt. 49, Des Bryant. My man. Mike Evans. Cam Newton. Peyton Manning. Ooh, look at there. Numbered 5 of 5. Steve Largent. Wow. I did not realize this was the auto. 5 of 5. eBay 1-1. Visionary signature, Steve Largent. Lady Lead is like, fuck. Gurley. Dak Prescott, $9.99. Jerry Rice. Luke Kuechly. Cardale Jones, $9.99. Rod Woodson. So this case had two decent, really more than decent, really nice autos. Largent and Steve Smith, Senior. These cases I begin to keep on producing. What is a guy to do? Joe Namath. Number to 99, Joe Montana. Aaron Rodgers. That was the quarterback pack. Hines Ward. Sterling Shepard, number to 99. Joe Hayden. Derek Carr. $9.99. Tyler Boyd. Joe Flacco. Oh my God. Cannot get a finger on it. There it goes. Brandon Marshall. Jared Goff to 29. Joe Montana. Devontae Freeman. Teddy B. Number to 99, Tyler Boyd. You're probably right. The other 4 are probably still in boxes. Still at one of the warehouses. Dan Marino. Jamal Charles. Number to 999, Braxton Miller. Last box. Amari Cooper. Mr. Tomlinson to 79. Deshaun Jackson. Zach Ertz. Number to 99, Carlos Hyde. Steve Young. Eli. 999, Keanu Neal and Jameis Winston. Rob Gronkowski. 19, Darian Thompson. 19 of 19, Darian Thompson. eBay 101 right there. Navarro Bowman. Troy Aikman. John Elway. Number to 99, Josh Doxson. And last pack. Staubach. $9.99, Kevin Dodd and Bo Jackson. There you are, my friend. Appreciate you. Pretty nice case. Had some very, very nice autos.